London, New York, snap. Yeah, Macdicator the map. Yeah.
Good evening. Welcome to the channel. How's everybody doing? Good to see everybody. It's been a minute. It has. What is happening? Alex been geeking. We're here. We are live. We are looking at the book map. Interesting day today. We had some big price action, big moves. I really liked how it moved today. I made some money today. Life is good. Life is grand. We're starting off at the economics calendar for the evening. Let's go. Australia's got some GDP growth rate quarter over quarter. Red folder event. Keep an eye out for that. That's going to be at 7:30 Eastern. China's got some MBS manufacturing PMI. That's going to be at 8:30 Eastern. And then we have Rating Dog Manufacturing PMI at 7:45 my time, so 8:45 p.m. Eastern. And then, of course, Japan has got its consumer confidence about 12 p.m. Eastern. So some big moves today. It's going to be moving quite a bit. Fear and Greed right now is at 32. We got my kids coming in behind me like they own the show. Sheesh. All right. And then of course, you know what? When they say when people are fearful, be greedy. When you're greedy, be fearful. So we'll see how that works out. So we got that going for us. Let's see if we can't get a full screen here. Yeah, there you go. So what do we got for charting? All right, 24. Look. This is a Macdicator indicator on the Trade-A-Vate. 24,694. This line right here, we bounced right there. Sniper entry for long, and we rejected this gap up here. 24,731.36. And then, of course, we have a couple gaps above. We got this minus imbalance that we're currently in right now on the volume profile. So my question is, if we go check the median down here, check this wick. I don't know. It's a good question. Good question on the NQ there. It's a 100 tick. It's 100 tick. This is the 100 tick chart. Let's look at something a little bit more feasible. On the 1 minute chart, let's see. You got mark your calendars or mark your maps to be 24,444. And then we got 24,381.17, 24,381. So 24,381. And then, of course, you got 24,906, 24,911, 24,927. So this little patch right here we could run up to. So some targets to hit for the night. I don't know exactly. We could go both ways this evening with all the news that's going on. So stick with me. I'll be here, and we will continue moving on. So All right, let's see what we got here. We got about 1 minute before we start open for business. Open for business in less than 30 seconds. 30 seconds. What's happening? Think for yourself. Welcome to the channel. Betting down. Same last 2 nights. Fair enough. Fair enough. Let's quickly look at gold real quick. Gold. What is gold doing on the 1 minute? Do we have anything down below that we can do? No, let's just keep looking for activations of supports and resistances. You want to sing the TWB song? Then
What a piece with that.
Okay. Okay, well, you're not gonna find it right here, son.
Good.
You're gonna find it in mom and dad's room. That's one of my kids. All right, so gold can go either way. We're open. We are open for business. I already told you, son, that it's not on this desk. Okay, thank you. Please, someone just wave hi to YouTube, son.
Who are you?
All right, gold 51.20. Probably looking to fill these gaps up here. I'd look to like 51.35 on gold. That's what I would look towards. Running lower on the NQ. We are running lower, that's for sure. All right, we got 24.719, 200 EMAs at 24.734. Let's see if we have it. No. Cumulative delta histogram is junk. All right, I thought maybe that we could get another indicator in there, but not really. New York buying it up as a distraction. Yeah. Let's run it. Let's see if we can't get into a trade here. I want to see if we can buy the VWAP. Back up to this gap here. See if it takes my order down here at 702. Doing a 702. Rolling it out right there. Oh, I need to size this down a little bit. There we go. I'm in, and we're running too fast to the lower. Pushed up against that session high and then fell off to the bottom. Bummer. Broke through the VWAP. We're still continuing lower. Pretty volatile in the first 2 minutes of open. 3. Stop it. No. That's something we wanted to do. I'm glad I got out. Keep your stops tight. Your TPs long, you know? Really hoping for that. See what we got. Of course, let's come all the way back to 77 and then bounce right up to right here. They make it difficult to enter if you during this volatility for sure, right? Make it real difficult. You know, there's some things that have been brought to my attention the last week and a half. I don't know about you guys, but I know somebody that went into got sold by, or was being sold by, two people that were sold by a crypto firm. And what happened from there is that they got involved, they started communicating with these people, they built an account, they were taking signals, they had a contract, everything was set and ready to go. And then about maybe 60 days later, after were trading, all the money they deposited, everything that they ever leveraged and they entered a trade on the last signal, and it wiped out their account. Come to find out that firm was a scam. So please, when you are trading with futures and you get into cryptocurrency, or you get into something and you want to be able to trade on the market, use reputable sources, or follow people on YouTube's, like myself, who have gotten payouts from firms. By all means, please save your hard-earned money. And if you can watch somebody online that you know somebody who knows somebody who knows somebody, you could really save yourself a whole lot of money if you do your research and your due diligence. So you gotta understand, one of the things that you need to do is protect yourself, because you can get a lot of free information out there. A lot of free information. You know, really ultimately, once you get a platform set up to trade, all it is just clicking a button. You know, I just need to click this button back here and, you know, kind of just enter the trade if I see a setup. Think for yourself is saying short. So let's just put one out there. See if it enters me. I'm too late. Think for yourself. I've been talking about how people scam people out of tens of thousands of dollars. And I'm in. It's 24,677. Let's see. We'll go to the trade screen. Oh man. Oh man, I FOMO'd in. To think for yourself is call out. Okay. So watch yourself on scams, please. Please watch do your due diligence and really check to see if the people you're working with are legitimate and the business that you're working with is legitimate.
Stop it.
See? Look at that. No FOMO, right? Don't FOMO. Luckily, the account that I'm using is not a prop firm at the moment. It is a challenge account with NinjaTrader in a competition. As you can see, I'm not doing too bad. Although the competition has people out there who are trading $40,000, $50,000 already. So I'm out of the competition with a negative $1,000 loss. But you know what? They give me the free data and the free trades, so I can practice and get my mind straight. So we got that going for us at least. I mean, a lot of people would sit there and go, well, we went right back up. This is a buy candle. But yeah, buy it. It's going right up to this gap up here. I probably can catch it. Maybe. We'll see. Let's see if we can catch the 200 EMA tap. Let's see if we can pull this back a little bit to this candle here. Let's do 2 minis. We're in a trade. We're trying to catch it, this pump run up. We might just have rejected and go right back down to my stop loss. That's what happens. Maybe I can catch some monies on it. Maybe I can't. Definitely looking for 24/7 1950. So please, when you're getting into trading and you want to feel like you're getting the best value for your dollar, sometimes YouTube is the best way to go. And you know what? It's not necessarily free. If you like and subscribe and support the channel in that particular way, maybe hit a couple, chats on the side there. We would love, as YouTube content creators that do this for, a living, would like to have that you know, support from you. And then of course, a lot of the content creators have Discords. You can ask them questions, or you can ask the community questions on how to set up your platform, how to trade, and get that set up for yourself. So again, please don't lose the monies that you've worked hard for on trying to learn something that we have no problem teaching for free. So, and again, you can ask questions, and don't feel shy if you're like, Ryan, how do you get these indicators? How do you get this? What is this? What is that? What is this? And we'll walk you through it, no problem. Like and subscribe. We're all there. Obviously, a lot of the people who do watch have been watching and following for a while, so thank you for doing so. Again, hit the like button. Love to have you enjoy the stream. Let's see here. What do we got? 24/7/31. I was thinking the 200 EMA, but it seems like this right here, this 27/20 is holding its ground. Let's see if we can't get past 26. Let's go. Risk management. I bring it up to break even. Now we're about 20 points away from that. Could change in 5 seconds, but you know, 200 EMA tap. I like to even see it come up to 46. See if we can't get it moved up to 46 there. Looking at the book, let's look at the book maps. So what do we got on the book maps? Oh yeah, we got some liquidity up there, 75, 30 lots up here. Yeah, my what's up, Mr. Kaz Trades? How's it going? Let's look at some gold real quick. Let's look at gold. Oh, I got the commercials. Got it. Premium. Just advertised everybody for free. Let's see, 51.19 on gold. We got some liquidity up at 51.30. That would work. 130 on gold. Let's go back to the NQ. Boom, boom, boom. So I think we're gonna keep going higher here. Now that we've kind of made this lower point on the setup. If we can't get above the 200, but again, I was looking at 75-ish on the books. See if we can't do that. Flip long. Hi, Darlene. Could trade gold in Apex PA. Can you? I'm not sure. Not exactly sure right now. I'm just trying to get my account to go positive here. 75 had a lick of setup, you know. Oh man, I'd like to see it hit 800. We're gonna front run 800. I'd like to see it hit 800. It's a nice trade. That's right. It came after getting in long down here in this candle here. I'm moving up. Like to see it continue up. Oh, there it is. There it is. Beautiful push right there. Yeah, I like did a comb through on the music myself with the in a trade. Gives it some anticipation. So 800. I like to see 800. Let's push up the stop loss a little bit more. Let's go right below open here. You know what? I could probably even come to the mean. We did gap right here, and we did. That was a sweep. That looked like a sweep. 65. What do we got for time? 20 seconds. That was sweepy. That was a. Kaz, we need some more music, man. Now we don't need any music. Much appreciated whatever you contribute, though. It's okay to think for yourself. See how hard it is for a human being to be wrong. we lose money over it. We always want to be right. I get it. Okay, it's okay. You know, it's just kind of one of those things. One of those things where your bias is so strong that you'll just figure out a way to short. In the meantime, right now we're moving higher. That looks sweepy to me, but we could go higher. Yep, still long. Got short early. Some new TWB tracks finished soon. That'd be cool. That would be cool. You would like that. I'm shooting for 799.50 before we do a turnaround here and go test that 200 EMA. Need some more push. More push. Come on, where's that? Oh, that's why. 62 lots. There it is, right there. Boom. If we break through that, we can go right to 800. But I think we're going. We'll just rip right through it right now.
What on the PS5?
So, can't. Please go ask your brother.
He said yeah.
No, why don't you sing the song and say hi?
Hi. Who are you guys?
There are a lot of people. Yeah, it's a lot of people. All right. Slowing down. We're trying to get through these 60. Oh, they moved. They filled them. It's filled. 64 lots there. Coming back. I want to see 24.8. They're throwing up 15 here. It's kind of flashing 15. We could come back to the POC, come back to VWAP and retest that. We could stay on this standard deviation that we're on right now at 35 and rip up. We could do a number of different things. If, maybe we don't, maybe we do. We did test the 200 EMA and the 9 EMA. We did turn green. I do like this retest candle. We did fill this gap. I think that we do keep continuing up higher. Higher in terms of where? I'd like to see 800. I'd like to see it come to this level here and kind of break off into a flag a little bit. I'd like to see that. That's for sure. Yeah. Yep. So let's see if we can't get that. Let's see. Let's look at gold. Gold real quick. Gold shooting up. Look at that. Filling out these gaps. Each one on the way through. Macdicator right there. Macdicator right here. These gaps are Macdicating it up. Just filling it out. We're leaving behind some gaps, so could come back down soon on the gold. On the gold. I'd like to see NQ rip up. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Get to this 6250 as a standard deviation there. Which we kind of wicked into a couple times. 60-ish. This area. So you think for yourself, you're long on the ES. Let's look at the ES for think for yourself. Thank you for chatting with me, hanging out with me, man. Much appreciated. ES, what are we shooting for on the ES here? There is really truly nothing there to hold it down, but we got 68, 61, 25. We could go higher if we go back and test 6850. 6850 on the ES. I don't know. I mean, kind of finding if we can find support here on the 200 EMA and this, we can find support here, we could go higher. Look at this node right here, this volume node here. If we get over that, we can keep this as support rather than resistance. See what the NQ wants to do. So all right, let's see the Dom working slowly. We got that going. We got the NQ filters on the left and the right. Let's look at the let's add one here. Let's add the ES to this side. So the DOM here for think for yourself at one. You know, you can watch 68, 19, 50. Let's see if we keep going up. Got quite a few orders up there. 75 at 68, 24, 25 on that. So let's see how that works. Yeah, that's how you're supposed to really look at it. Think for yourself, you know, you trade what you see. But we are rejecting 750 to 760. So kind of, I mean, maybe I should take the trade instead of wait for 800 and we'll try to enter back at my entry, because it looks like it wants to come back down to it. So let's try for 50 one more time in this minute, unless we just rip back down to 200. So I want to see if we get to the 50. Well, knowing my luck though, I got out too soon, too early. Probably. Oh man, it didn't even take the order. Like, literally. What is wrong with it? Like, is that missing the order? What the heck?
That have the power cord.
I gave it to you, son.
We can find it.
Okay, well, I don't know what you did with it. So, 24/7/59. Please put your shirt down. What are you doing?
You didn't give me a power cord.
I gave you a power cord, son.
Black and it's not like that, like a 2 dot. Like no.
Order filled.
There you go. Oh, of course, when it wants to finally move up through it. That's my luck. That's my luck. Bet you it goes to 800 now. But see, I'm out. I'm out of a trade. What's next? Another opportunity to get into a trade. I'm not saying this thing is going short, but waiting and being patient for that next opportunity is what's key. All right, so yeah, that was a profitable trade. That was a nice trade, but we're stuck here. We are stuck here at 24/7/47, 747. All right, let's see. We did. I'm actually I'm happy that I took the trade there. Kind of bull flagging it right now and stuck in this area. 68.19 on the ES. Nasdaq is kind of selling off time of sales for the orders. I'm not trying to go short yet, but I'm looking for a long. I'm definitely looking for a long. Looking for another long. So we're gonna sit in this setup for a while until we can find that long to enter. A retest of the VWAP would be warranted in my opinion, but my opinion is we'll just continue on with whatever it is. Let's look at the book. So we go back to the book. 750, 24/7/50. We got 24/7/39, 25. Yeah, I like it for some liquidity grab down here to the POC at 2700. So I'd be okay with some sort of short movement. Let's do this right here. We'll do a sell back to 700 if we can get into it. Oh wow, it took my order. I didn't even see it take my order. I'm gonna front run this 700 back down. Let's see if we can't get back to 700.
But this is not power good.
You want to say hi to the YouTube, please?
Hi.
Can you please get that out of your mouth? That is an electrical cord. Now please go back upstairs and try to plug it in.
This is not a whole.
Did you ask Scotty?
He said no. That's not power cord.
I'm gonna ask Mom.
Mom. Power cord. Mom. Power cord.
Let's see what we got here. 24/7/36. It's bouncing off the 200 EMA. It was really a risky trade to go short. If we do break below 28, you know, I mean, then I can risk manage it to 700. But unless we get a bullish run right back up to my stop loss, I mean, I'm still kind of hoping it pulls it right back down. Again, hope. If maybe, think maybe. I don't know. We don't know. But we just see the action. We see the price. We get into it. So let's do some price, you know. What's up with the music? What's up, Zen Zen? Yes, the music is anticipation. Definitely. Oh, whoa! Okay. I missed it by literally a tick. Oh man. Or two. Not a point. I missed it by a point. Sheesh. So my question is, do we get back to 700? Do we really test out that 700 level? I'm short right now, 736. I'm gonna put some break even stops here just for my own thought process. We could come down here to 690 even, but it looks like we're pushing lower. Here we go. Let's see if we can't get to 700. 700. 700. Did it cover me up? Yeah. So we're about to do one of these right now. Let's go. Come on. I could probably hold on to this further, but just for, you know, process, it could dump all the way right back down to here real quick. 90. Oh man, 701 found a support. Wow. For a tick, huh? What the helly? Come on. Anticipation. It's like, if it's gonna make me wait this long, I might as well wait for 689. 690. Let's go. You want to make me wait that long? Let's just wait. Break it. Break it, NQ. Make me wait that long to get down here to 700. You're gonna reject the VWAP. Either way, it still would never have hit my stop or my TP. If I'd have to literally just exit the trade. That's ridiculous. Makes me mad. Are you kidding me? It's going right back up to my entry. Or even my stop loss, I bet. Who knows? Okay, rejecting the VWAP. Like to see that right there on the 1 minute. Let's look at it in a different tick. Let's look at it at a range. You guys like the ranges? We're gonna go for a range. Every freaking bar is 1 point. Nope. Let's do ticks. I like ticks. 100 ticks. We'll do 100 tick. 100 ticks. Let's see if we can't. Nope. Man, I missed it. Literally, like 701.25 was my order. Yeesh. Looking at the 100 tick chart right now on the NQ. ES is still stuck there, 68.12.50. We've moved down quite a bit. This should take it down. We got 117 contracts at 608, 807, 6807 for the ES. So that could be a turn point for the market there, but we'll see when it gets there what it is. Okay, let's see. 701, 700, 700, break 700. It's gonna break 700 if we, if I hit the screen, right? Gotta just break a screen, just punch it out. ORB works, yeah. Which one? 15 minute? Think for yourself. Or the opening range break on 15 minute works. Sitting below the VWAP, we got some building up here. It's finding some sort of support, buyers. Yeah, 15 minute. Let's see if we can't. Let's look at the 15 minute. Yeah, this is we're at the bottom of that. So there is a pivot right here at 24,691-ish that we could find support on. So let's front run that pivot. And going back into the 1 minute time frame. Do we break it? Yeah, come on, come on. Go past 702. No, I don't drop new fibs for the new trading day. Those are automatic. We all want a dump. Give us the dump. Get past 700. Get past 700. Let's look at the book real quick. Get past 700, and we're going to POC at least. It should be 687.50. That standard deviation right here. I'm looking for. We do have some liquidity down at 650. We could run through it. Maybe bounce here, do some little thing. Whatever it wants to do, you know. We'll see. Come on, let's go. 691.50 on the NQ. Come on, ES, pull this down. Come on, pull down to the 117. Come on. Let's go. Currently, it's 6:33 p.m. on the Eastern Seaboard. I like this kind of development that we're getting. I don't like these wickless tops on this 1 minute. I do not like that at all. But we'll see. We do have a high volume node, one high volume node here at 689. I would like to see kind of come back and jump through this instead of rip right up. Man, it's not going. It's like now or never. Let's go. Thank you. Finally broke that 702.25. Made it down to 750-ish. 700? 750? Ah, bounce. Goodness gracious. Come on, let's go. Sheesh. Alright, well, I mean, like the fact that I got the short, caught the top there. Don't like it hanging out at this price here, making a higher low, possibly. Don't like that at all. Don't like this retrace back up for short right now. I mean, we did reject that VWAP, so... yeah, no, I mean, honestly, I'm doing okay for some profit today. My luck, it go right back to 700. Yeah, we got 16 lots down there. Come on. Make it, make it, make it, break it. I mean, my original TP was 701.50-ish, so it's just kind of one of those things where I'm like, do I wait for 691.50? Do I wait for it, or do I just take it now and not lose, give it back? Ah, man, that was a good slap. Slapped right in there. Come on, come on, come on, come on, let's go. Yep.
Gazy Fagazi, it's a Wazi, it's a Woozy, it's a fairy dust.
Not real. It's not real. It's all a scam, everybody. Check out Lucid. Check out Apex. They ain't scams. Although some people would say that they don't trust them. And that's okay. You know what? I think I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it up here. Oh no, don't do that. Sheesh. Gave me plenty of time to get out at $1,000 TP, and now we're back here at VWAP. Let's just get out. Get out, get out, get out. Get out of it. Come on.
Order filled.
All right, I'm out of that trade. Watch it go down to 800 or 700. Watch it. See, it's just my luck. You know, it's just like my luck. We just rip right down. Oh my goodness. I can't no more. I can't. This damn market. What the helly? What the helly? Oh, there you go. Think for yourself. We got some Cowboys in the chat. So they're still in. They're still in. Still green. That's the way to do it. Got some NASDAQ Cowboys. Or he's an ES. He's ES. But I like the S&P 500. I ain't gonna lie. I really do like the S&P 500. It's a great chart to trade. Yeah, definitely intense. Definitely intense. We'll take the song out. Mr. Kaz trades, Mr. Kaz trades. Anticipation. It's you know what though? Sometimes you're watching for entertainment. That's why. You're not watching to copy a trade. But although, you know, you bring the chat from the NASDAQ, from the book maps here. You know, we're watching the book. Let's watch the book together. We got some green delta here. We got the VWAP right here. The ES micro chart code right now is MES6, MESH6, MES Hotel 6. That's the current micro chart. So, well, is it going to come back up to this price here, 24,730 on the NQ, and on the ES? Do we have a gap up here? No, we don't. We don't have a gap up here, but we have a wickless candle, which we could repair at 68.15, 68.16 on the ES. We have a wickless candle there. It needs to be repaired. So until we figure out that repair, we could go. You want to trade the ES Zen? That's actually, it's $5 per point on the MES per contract. Is it $5 per tick? Yeah, $5 per point. So it's $1.25 per tick on the MES. So it actually, you know what? The tips I have for trading the MES or SPY, because I trade SPY on options, Zen. So with trading on the MES is a lot slower. So it's a lot slower. It's more calm. You can, you know, you get 1 point, you're $5. 2 points, $10 per micro. You want to, and the thing about MES is that you're only moving 50 points at the most a day. Sometimes you get 65 points. Today was a crazy day. But you know, you can account for at least an overnight, probably 10 to 15 points overnight, and moving 5 points is pretty tough. It's molasses on the ES, MES. It is moving nicely tonight though. That's for sure. You can get 5 points. Pretty nicely. Like I'll do a sell limit here on the ES just to give you an idea. That's 50 points per mini, or $50 per mini per point on the mini side. So one mini would be $50 per point. So $12.50 per tick. Yeah, it's pretty slow outside of that, but I'm gonna sell the 200 EMA on the ES here. We'll see if we can't catch an ES trade real quick for that lower high in this downtrend. I'll be below the 200 EMA. I'd like to see it touch 18. If that was it, then I'll exit my position. So, you know, unfortunately though, I don't want to stick around and wait for it. And, you know, I've taken a couple good trades already. I'm up $1,605 on the trades that I took with 2 minis, guys. 2 minis, okay? So that's a good gauge of tonight. But on the NQ, I don't want to sit around and wait for the ES. But I will, what I will do, we'll do one of these right here. And I really appreciate y'all joining the show. We got some rain there for some, raining some $100 bills, y'all. And I'm going to say thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe if you're not. And I will see you tomorrow morning. Peace.
Hello.
Hello.
Did you enjoy the stream?
I did. Thank you for watching.
Same small dream of getting this right. Hey. Think with Bookmaps, trust that chat, slow control, no FOMO. Ryan Mac teaches that if you're here for the climb, not just the hit, pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this.